Easter Bunny Nutcracker, Part 4, The Torso. Welcome back, everybody, to making the Easter Bunny Nutcracker. Next piece here we're going to make is the torso. I got the patterns already attached to the block of wood. In this case, we're going to cut out the outline first. Cut up this way, but not all the way through, so everything kind of stays together. Might tape it, I'm not sure. Shouldn't need to, but we'll see. Then we'll cut out this and go that way to release the midsection, or all the sections. And then this middle piece here then gets cut down to allow for the nutcracker mechanism. So I'll get my axis holes drilled. My hole for the rod, that's going to hold the arms on and be the hinge for the lever. And get it cut out. The last second I changed my plans. Instead of cutting across to the bottom, I cut down along the side, pulled it out here, drilled another axis hole, cut along that side, pulled it out. Then I drilled axis holes on the bottom rather than cut up from the bottom. That'll give this a whole lot more strength while I cut out this side here, which will separate everything for me, so I don't really need the top or the bottom cuts. So here's the midsection, the torso, and it's 3 layers. So we're going to take the middle layer. We can kind of tell because the front side's curved more. I should have made a belly or something, but that's fine. And basically, put this pattern on here and cut out the top piece. And then we'll glue those layers together with just the bottom piece, leaving that space open for the hinging mechanism. Alright, so I cut out I just made the cut quick here. So that piece will go here. And I will glue it all together like that. And you can see how it's going to leave that space. Just like on the Christmas Nutcracker for the lever action. It's going to be a little different in how it functions here. But still be pretty neat. So, I have it glued together. It's actually got quite a significant skew to it, which is unfortunate. Probably should have changed the blade once again before I started it. You get that skew when you're cutting the compound scrolling, where things are all skinnier on one side. When the wood's hard and you're pushing really hard, or the blades are a little dull and you have to push real hard, and that kind of skews it. But that's kind of the midsection there. Now I'll cut out the next piece. I could just cut it off and do one, or I could do a few cuts here, then cut it out, and have a few extra for when I make my next nutcracker, if I make more than one of these. Alright, so we got the torso here kind of put together. Got the, the Nutcracker part going. The head will go on like so. So you got kind of the bunny profile here in the front. Not sure if I'm going to glue the arms in place to keep them there permanently or let it so they can move. But we'll figure that out. We have the legs here. I just need to glue that on. I've done some sanding to kind of even things out, square it off where it was kind of had that taper going to it a little bit on the top and the bottom. So I'll get that glued on there. And I guess I'll glue the head on too. I'll obviously take this apart because the middle piece I'm going to paint separately and put it in painted. Alright, so there's the Easter Bunny with this basket of goodies. Obviously the plan kind of calls for 2 baskets, but we'll see. There's the back profile. Or side, I mean. The back. Comes out alright. That could be sanded a little bit. Make it a little more even. But the paint will even a lot of that out. I have to make the base yet, of course. That's pretty minor. Yeah, it'll look better once it's painted. But hey, not too bad. Pretty cute. Anyway, that's the torso. Thanks for watching. And, be sure to subscribe. Visit my website for plans. And come back for the next episode. Thanks for watching.